Good morning. My name is Aaron Michael Finch. I probably have to be one of the blessed people in the whole wide world. My dream was to be the greatest motivational speaker and possibly one of the best presidents in the United States of America to ever exist. I wanted to create two acts in life: the Fair Treatment Act and the Senior Citizen Disability Homeless Act for the elderly people that are 65 years and older, so no man's ever homeless ever again. When I was in the United States Navy, like I said, I have to be probably one of the blessed people in the world. I was a personal specialist. I sat behind the desk. Didn't even do much for a couple years while I was in the military. Got beat by the San Diego City Police Department. And the United States Navy paid me for the rest of my life. Between the state and the United States Navy, I get paid $5,000 a month for the rest of my life, which is great for somebody that sat behind a desk to get 100% PTSD. But one of the Fair Treatment Acts is part for the veterans that serve for our country, because we have no idea what it takes to serve for our country and what we actually go through to protect our children underneath the heavens. I just don't understand how sometimes I get medically sick and the cops, Raleigh County Police Department, come and take me to the hospital. But now that I had to take eval tests so my lawyer could help me to see if I'm competent to stand trial. I didn't pass my eval test, and they're saying that I have to spend 3 to 6 months in the mental hospital until I become competent. I don't understand how double jeopardy is taking place in my mental illness sickness. How when I beat up my car when I got sick and I had a mental breakdown and my wife was trying to get me help and she didn't press charges on me, how Raleigh County Police Department pressed charges on me for having a mental breakdown, taking me to Osawatomie State Hospital, and now that I got a lawyer to try to beat my case for a criminal damage to property just because I didn't pass the test, because I have short-term memory and I can't remember what took place on that day that I was sick before they took me to the mental hospital. I have to spend 3 to 6 months in a mental hospital of their choice. How does that make sense? How will 3 to 6 months, me being in the hospital, actually help me remember anything that took place on that day, considering I have short-term memory? I don't know. How I'm going to the hospital again to get punished for not remembering, I feel like it's double jeopardy when it comes to somebody's mental sickness. I'm just asking, if you're a medical doctor or if you're a lawyer in any shape, way, or form, and you know something illegal is being taken place over my life, can you please help me? I'm mentally competent right now. I understand everything that will take place in court. Anything they talk about, I understand. I just can't help my lawyer tell him what happened on that day because I got short-term memory because I got beat by the San Diego City Police Department. How is the Navy paying me for the rest of my life, and how is the state paying me for the rest of my life for what San Diego City Police Department has, and they haven't gotten sued yet? And how am I getting punished for what San Diego City Police Department did to my body when I can't remember anything? So is Raleigh County Police Department really backing up our military brothers and sisters in the armed forces? If I haven't even really went to war and I thought I was a spy, I thought the military thought I was a spy because what events took place in my family's life and my life in the military, then how am I getting punished for actually trying to create two acts in this world? Because I won't join a secret society? Because I won't submit my authority underneath another man when I submit my authority underneath the heavens? I really don't understand anything. Two things I really believe in is my senior citizens and my children. Number two things I believe in on this earth. Our senior citizens have walked through this earth and face a lot of oppositions and adversities and tribulations, and explain to the next generation how we're going to handle these trials and adversities in our life to make it, to pass it down so we can break generation curses over to the next generation. All I want to do is just tell people that have actually have more problems than I have, that actually went to war and combat and doesn't have any family, and that is lost walking on this earth and getting punished by the law because you served your country and you're mentally ill or you have a disability. I apologize. I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done for yourself and for the children underneath the heavens on earth. All I want is them to know that I'm very competent on standing trial. I understand everything. If you punish me, you punish me. But I don't think I should be punished for having short-term memory, something that I'm getting paid for the rest of my life because San Diego City Police Department beat the shit out of me. So can somebody please call me at 785-556-1414 if you're a lawyer or a medical lawyer, or you can help me out in my situation. I'm definitely willing to listen. I would love for our brothers and sisters that served in the armed forces to be all over the news for a Fair Treatment Act and a Senior Citizen Disability Homeless Act. There's no reason anybody that served for our armed forces in America should be homeless or should be lost. That's what a brotherhood is for. That's what a sisterhood is for. So we can bring everybody back to the circle. And that's why my nonprofit is called Living Life in the Circle Incorporated, because we're in this life together. Thank you for listening to me, and have a great day. God bless you. My phone number is 785-556-1414. Love you guys. Thank you.